Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a protein and fiber rich chana salad recipe. It's easy to make and has only natural healthy fats plus a very special secret ingredient. Packed with plant protein, fiber and healthy fats, the salad will help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, I'm adding in 1 finely chopped green chilli and 1/4 of ginger finely chopped. Half teaspoon or as needed sea salt, 1 tablespoon coconut vinegar. Now instead of coconut vinegar, you can use apple cider vinegar or any naturally fermented vinegar which has the mother. I have already shared how to make coconut vinegar at home. I'm using my homemade coconut vinegar in this recipe. For flavor, I'm adding in 1/4 teaspoon roasted cumin powder, also known as jeera powder. And with a spoon, I'm giving this all a good mix. Next, I'm adding in half of an onion thinly sliced, 3 tablespoons sand roasted peanuts which I have lightly crushed, 1 cucumber chopped into bite-sized pieces, 1 medium-sized carrot sliced into bite-sized pieces, half cup boiled chana. So what I've done is I soaked the chana overnight and the next day morning I pressure cooked it with about half teaspoon jeera, salt and little water. After the first whistle, I simmered for about 15 to 20 minutes. Into this, add in half cup boiled chana. And the secret ingredient is my homemade super seed mix. The super seed mix is made with sprout activated pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, watermelon seeds, flax seeds and chia seeds. They are also lightly toasted. The seeds add a delicious crunch along with the healthy fats, fiber, plant protein, minerals like magnesium, zinc and iron. They also help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time. All the 5 seeds in the super seed mix are sprout activated and lightly toasted. Into this, I am adding in 3 tablespoons of the sprouted seed mix. Sprouted super seed mix is available on my website www.nisahomey.com. And with a spoon, I am giving this all a good mix. Transfer the salad into a serving bowl. Some fresh curry leaves. I'm tearing the curry leaves and adding in so that the flavors are released. Instead of curry leaves, you can also add in chopped coriander leaves. And lastly, I'm drizzling in my homemade vegan mayo. I have already shared the recipe. Please do check it out. And my super healthy protein and fiber rich chana salad is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy chana salad and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye bye.